V1 is speed at which, if engine failure occurs, distance to continue takeoff will not exceed TODA takeoff distance runway available, and distance to bring the aircraft to stop will not exceed ASDA accelerated stop distance runway available. V1 must not be higher than VR rotation speed and must not be higher than VMBE. VMBE brakes energy limit. Since brakes of the aircraft convert kinetic energy into heat energy, this heat energy has limit, VMBE. But V1 must be higher than VMCG, which is called minimum controllable speed on the ground. VR speed at which the rotation is initiated to attain V2 climb speed at high 35 feet over the runway distance. VR must be higher than V1 and 1.5 of VMCA, which is called minimum controllable speed on the air. VLOF, lift-off speed at which the aircraft lifts off depending on angle of attack, flaps setting, and aircraft takeoff weight. VLOF lift-off speed must be not higher than maximum tire speed. Finally, V2. V2 is target schedule speed to be attained by the time the required screen high at 35 feet for dry runway and 15 feet for wet runway. Let me return to VR. This is control column is related to VR. VR is a speed at which the pilot moves control column upward to actuate elevator, which is primary flight control surface, where airflow will strike deflected elevator, causing rising of the aircraft nose.